Hi, welcome to the April newsletter. It's not your eyes, my hair is really pink. Let me know what you think. There are 3 parts to this newsletter. We are having an open house in Newport Beach and also in Palm Desert. We would love to see you, your friend, and we're really excited. It's our first open house in 5 years, so please join us. Second part of this newsletter is why we get jowls and what we can do about it. I'd love to see you in the office if you are not loving your lower face and want to do something about your jowls but not ready for surgery yet. And lastly, I'm introducing 2 new devices in Newport Beach and Palm Desert for maintenance and also correction of the skin without any downtime. And we've made 2 short videos for each one of them for you to view so that you can learn more about them. So I'd love to see you in the office this month, and thank you.